Sefio. Helo pawb, sut mae pawb yn neud? Okay, dim yn dweud bod fi'n fyw eto. It doesn't say I'm live yet, so we'll try it. We'll try again. So I hope everyone's had a good week. Yeah, I do apologise for that. Dwi ymddiheuro am hynna. Stuff happened last week and just didn't mean I had time to record. Gyda amser I recordio, so yna 2 penod. There will be 2 episodes of the Sims4 fibonacci legacy this week. Yeah, gobeithio, recording. This is recorded live, mae hwn cael ei recordio'n fyw, cos dwi'n gallu fannu lwytho I YouTube yn y bryd. Because it can't upload to YouTube at the moment, this is being recorded live, so os ydych chi'n gwylio yn y VOD, if you're watching the VOD, thank you. Neu os ydych chi'n gwylio yn fyw, diolch hefyd, thank you if you're watching live as well, and welcome to the stream of the VOD. So last time what happened was we were meant to move out Enfys and Telyn, and fi wedi symud allan Enfys a Telyn. I have a house for them and everything. I do a tea and bob dim, but the babies came, the twins came, so that was fun and fun. I also managed to max out, Mai has maxed out the tech quiz skill, a skill tech quiz. Mai is also live streaming, live streaming Sims as well, the live stream Sims. Fredio Sims, done Fredio Sims. It's a really good way to get more money rather than programming. To my knowledge so far, I'm going to see which one's better. I also, this is Magnolia Blossoms, hwn yn Magnolia Blossoms, mae yn Parc Blodeuedd one, is Parc Blodeuedd now, and inspired by Little Simsies videos, with the new bakery pack, o'r pack newydd coginio nath dod allan, sydd wedi dod allan, the new Sims pack that's come out recently. This is all base game, mae hwn yn gyd yn base game hefyd. I did a little kitchen, so gen I fatha caffi, we've got a little caffi here. Gen chi lle I ista, we've got somewhere to sit here. Gen chi bandstand o fama. Still kept the kids area, cos ar ardal plant, cos oedd yn iawn. So in here, I kind of made it to match the other side. Don't know if you can see it, chi'n gweld yna iawn. But yeah, it is all base game, so this isn't any of the pack. Dwi ddim yn unrhyw un o'r pack. But I tried to make it match it. Ti'n neud o fatha matcho'r ochr arall. Efo'r un lliwio, the un colours and stuff, and sort of shape. I think I managed to get it. Dwi'n meddwl nes I gael o. And then we've also, it was just like a lot of empty space. Also, lle gwag yn y fama. So I did a little ladder, so you Sims, I struggled with the stairs, struggled with rhoi grisia yna. And yeah, we have a little place that, ideally I'm going to put some stairs, try and put some stairs somewhere, but you have somewhere for your Sims to, have a nice view. So chdi gallu eista. Let's see if we can get, can't. You can have a nice view over the park. That was the idea with this, and then to also make it easier. So now we can put I don't know, dwi'm yn cofio. I think we've run out of time to make a birthday cake. Then yn deg allan ams I wneud cacan pen blwydd. So we can get Kurt. Who died? Oh, Alexander Goth died. Alexander Goth marw trydydd hefyd, a mae hwn yn mynwent. I'll put this build up on. Sorry, it's the first time I can play with the app after the update. Sut mae hwn edrych? How does this look? Oh, this is so cool. So ti fod gwahanol rhai gwahanol vegetarian safe. Oh, I love this organisation. Hwna mor dda. Vegetarian, lactose free. That mor cool. That is so cool. I know ti'n gallu neud cupcakes. You can do cupcakes now as well. So I thought could maybe make, you know, cupcakes and cakes for everybody. For pawb. Because we are aging up. Telyn, Maynard, and Aneurin a Taliesin. Da ni'n oedran nhw gyd I fyny. Like I said, I already tagged little Simsy in the comments. It's got a really good breakdown of the latest pack a pethau. And updates, all the updates hefyd. Nath dod efo fo, 'cause there was a few base game updates fel y recipe, fel y recipe hefyd. I did manage to organise my photos in the thing, because what I try and do is for the walls trio cael wal. Do we get one of Maynard barod? I don't know. Trio cael un o wal, dwi trio cael fatha legacy little photos and stuff like that. Gyda lots o lli ar y wal. I have lots of pictures on the wall. Don't know if you got all of these ones. It still scares me when it does that. We're little siblings together. We can gallu gwerthu'r extra. We can sell the extras as well. Okay, so what skills did I get everybody up to? Yeah, gyda need dy hun. Do you need to do any skills up before dwi'n oedio chdi fyny? Because I believe you are all good. Gallu cael motor or mental up, potentially. But dwi'n hapus efo... I'm happy with all these ones so far. Gyfer Maynard. Telyn, what are your skills? Like, be di sgiliau chdi? We got all threes. Tri gyd ar Rhan potty. Oh man, iawn. I don't, from what I've seen online, we got ar-lein. The potty doesn't actually attain to anything. Dwi'n meddwl da ni'n iawn yn gyfer, we're good for that. I do love when they play with like imagination stuff. Little like all this comes around them. So cute. Okay. Ti yna'n cwsg. What do you need? You need food. Okay, so da ni am cael, we are gonna get... Can you... Ti eisiau fun? Dwi'n gwybod ti eisiau fun. But I want you to bottle feed just before they age up, because, you know, I don't want them taken away. Like, literally, the mission of cael that one literally get, you know, cael cymryd I ffwrdd one. Dwi'n credu... Then toddlers are kind of being looked after. We need like a little sand pit area, I think. Isn't that cool? Oh my god, that stance. What is that? Oh, that's such a good photo. I sort the photos out. Dwi'n sortio lluniau allan wedyn. Can I get them? Okay. Ti'n neud hynna? Can you like already done telling. Maynard. You know that, Pan? Why are you doing that? Antigone. It was meant to be Maynard. That's weird.
Oh.
Hey, gadael ti mam. Mae crystal yma fyd. Mae crystal... It should be here. Okay, Kurt. Ti di wneud... Oh, Kurt was doing the birthday cake. Please did ti'n di dechrau bita fo. Sorry. I forgot Sims will do that. I think one cake should be fine. I gyfer nhw gyd. Un cake, un cacan.
Mashka garul.
Can we should... I want to make sure the cake... Cacan cael.
Kumbar. Sanzibe to babe. I see Bumkaro. Muscat tree. Ya flabab.
Hey Starkiller, it's a tea. Hi Starkiller. Nice got the streams. Nice got in the stream. What an nice ages. It's been a while. This playing my Sims Legacy, doing a Sims Legacy. I'm doing the Fibonacci rule. Nid real Fibonacci. So basically, mae un bobbin genhedlaeth every legacy gets you know. Oh, lle dwi'n mynd? Where am I going? Mae bobbin legacy yn cael gwahanol niferoedd o plant. So the Fibonacci rules go 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. A dyna di'r pwynt o fo. Dydy ti, so bod dim o chdi? So da ni wedi gwneud hynna. We've done that one. Be mae mai i wneud? Ti'n mynd i cael llun. We got another one of the legacy where we just it's really cute. Can you just take a photo please? Try cael lluniau. So in legacy ni yw cael lluniau o portreadau neu paintings a pethau fel yna hefyd. Neu pethau fel hyn. Mae hynna'n really cute. Dwi'n trio gorau, I'm trying my best. This is my first time trying a legacy. Hwna'n tro gyntaf i trio wneud legacy.
Narble. Milshaba.
Oh, yeah, gyda un eiliad infant. So yeah, we'll try and get like lluniau. Gonna age him up because my house. Yn anffodus hefyd, unfortunately, the infant and toddler are like the worst stage of this. Don't dance. No, no, oh, my alarm. Never mind, that's fine. Sorry, I don't got worried of alarm. Okay. No, that's fine. Check out, just like you know, Vanna. Teen Cascade, we're gonna age you up then. Actually, Ti'n gallu neud call go here together a neud more choices. No, no. Weithiau, The Sims is like getting everything around. Aneurin is sleeping or is it Taliesin? I think Aneurin is sleeping. Taliesin. Then we do Aneurin. So just cael nhw in a toddler. It kind of helps, but it doesn't really, you know. So dylsen ni cael pawb yma wan. Should get everybody here now. And we age them up, and then we get I know. We just cael nhw oedio fyny cos a bit more autonomy, would be able to do more stuff efo nhw. More stuff efo nhw. Aww. That's really cute. Y rhieni. The two parents, nobody else, neb arall. A telyn yn y cefndir. Ok, ond eidio fyny, fyny. Ond you got bonus trait. Okay. Oh, angelic. Oh, that's really handy. That's really handy. Sut ma'n edrych? How do they look? Picture the glasses. It's really cute. Okay. Then nobody take a piece of cake. Because the Sims will just take a piece of cake. I'm gonna come down cacan. Don't take a piece of cake. Pied. No! We have to make a new one now. Okay. Creadigol. Okay. Let's do a cold meal on that one. Kurt, ti am wneud cacan arall. You need another cake. It's chaotic, mae'n chaotic, yn ddim mor chaotic a hyn fel arfer. I knew it was going to... Yn gwybod beth yn mynd i digwydd. Eiliad. Oh, I know the cupcakes. Oh, they're really cute. They're really cute. So I've already need dau cacan. I knew I should have done 2 cakes. Okay, my Aneurin is just gonna get aged up. Cos ni ddim angen cacan ar gyfer Aneurin. Don't need a cake for Aneurin. Taliesin's getting skills. Taliesin cael sgiliau hefyd. Yn gweld sut mae Taliesin yn edrych. How does Taliesin look? It's so cute. So what? We got a bonus skill. We got a skill bonus hefyd. Oedd angelic at top-notch infant. Okay, that's cool. And Aneurin's gonna get... Fel arfer, pan mae Sims yn dewis fel hyn. When the Sims choose like this. So you can't actually play on any of these. Oh, that's intriguing. Oh, okay. Rhan diddorol. That's really interesting. I've not played Sims. Oh, diolch. I'm trying. Dwi'n trio. Fan hynna. Dos. sometimes they take ages. Well, it's really fun. I like building because dwi'n licio adeiladu. I like building anyway. I've started to try and build club in this, but sometimes they do take ages to just do stuff with you. It's more the issue of if our plant with the infants and stuff, you can have them crying for a little bit. A cyfar dipyn bach. Like, ti'n cwio nhw fyny, but they just don't go and do it. I do really like it. Dwi yn licio'r adeiladu mwy. I do personally prefer the building more. I just wanted to try, like I made like, this is base game, but I made like a little cafe sort of type area. After the recent like cafe update, of update cafe, dwi dal person licio'r adeiladu, but I was like, if I do a challenge, os dwi'n neud challenge, mae'n rhywbeth gwahanol. You know, it's like, there's some really fun creative challenges on here that people have done with various stuff. Add with candles. It's nice. I don't mind this, but it's nice. I don't think I would play as much live. Live yw live yw fatha hwnna adeiladu creative. I think it is an eirin sy'n one. And it's chaotic, when the chaotic's really that, but sometimes it's like what you do off stream is just skill building yn gyfer pobl. Like I said, mae'n cymryd ages. Cael hwn cywio fyny, but di mai ddim yn neud yn byd, I don't know why. Pam ti ddim? Why do I need to... Why are you not working? Pan ti ddim yn gweithio? There's moments like this where it's not working. And... Yeah. Chaotic. I know. I'm sorry, byn bach. I'm sorry, little one. I need you to age up, though. Dwi eisiau chdi oedio fyny. Oh, fun. Why, like, cos dwi'n trio adeiladu club. I'm trying to build club in this now. Don't check infant. Na chdi. Yeah, like I said, mae'n cymryd ages in neud o. But what I do like is the way that it's much quicker to build in here. Now, Minecraft, well, na, mae yn lot mwy sydyn i adeiladu fama. Mae'n dal gallu cymryd dipyn bach, still takes a little while, but I want to see the differences. Sy'n dallt. I want to see the intrigues. Like, you don't have to... Mae'n hawsach i adeiladu, you know, waliau pethau. Like I built up, nes I goffan Rhan Tavern, which I need to put on the gallery hefyd, and I built this, nes I adeiladu gallery hwn hefyd. Lle mae nhw? There we go. Okay, there you go, yeah. This is effaith, enghraifft perfect example of something that takes ages to do. Mae'n amser nos wan. It's night time now. So that's fun. So they have aged up. They're wiggly. They were wiggly. Oh, they're clingy. Okay. Mae un yn angelic one's clingy. I knew it was going to happen. Sut maen nhw'n edrych? Oh, they're really cute. Might give him a little makeover. Okay, so we now need Maynard, T, Annan, cynnwys allan. Cyn neb arall mynd i cymryd dan cacan. Don't take a piece of cake. Dim yn cymryd dan. No, that's mae'n iawn.
Boy.
Gyda.
Boyish
Gibbs.
noise.
Grinza. Bueno.
One, we have Maynard a Telyn. We move them both out. A wedyn symud allan Maynard, symud allan Telyn.
Huh?
Kurt. A Telyn. Oh, good. Done ni that. But aging up thing could be like, say, team music lover, ability. Ah, okay. Another self-assured. I'm music lover. Ni'n cael Creadigol. Guess, 'cause does that ddim yn ar gyfer cerddoriaeth. I want music for Maynard, ond does that yn ffodus ddim yn ar gyfer cerddoriaeth. There's not one for music. Okay, intriguing. Outfits. Panad next part, what we might do have to do is just go through Cass. And check it out. Okay, cool. Ideal. Okay, and Telyn, a wedyn we can gan ni goffan y parti pen-blwydd. That's everybody. Dwi'n meddwl mae hynna'n pawb. Dyma Envis. Where is Envis? Mae'n lot of common pobl. Too many people to do things with, and then dan mynd I symud allan Envis. Oh, somebody's gonna... No. Maynard. Oh, Maynard is named Maynard after Twll as well. Maynard wedi cael allan Twll hefyd, because, you know, o'r sialens. It's kind of licio'r head, a robot head, a pen robot. Come on. Mae Sims weithiau yn anhygoel. It's really fun to do, but sometimes it's latency weithiau. Mae'n weithiau latency then, and it's something new allan, we're going to move them out, and then I think we might do like some makeovers and figure out some stuff penod nesa. Okay, so Telyn yn loidio fyny. Telyn. Bookworm! Oh, that's really cute. Okay, so that's a betting out with bonus skills. You should get 1 and everything if you got 3. Okay, so I think gofyn neud hynna. This is the creativity. This is my generation when I'm trying to get all the creative ones done. Oh, very stylish. Okay, so ni'n goffan. Let's finish this. Goffan hwn. Pawb mynd adra, and we're going to move out Envis. Travel. So ni cael rhywio bod dim goffan, but I think the caffi gweithio ar gyfer be nisio fo. Might do a bit more lighting. Mwy o gola yna fo. yn y dyfodol, but I'll put the rum a tavern with the rum tavern a pack blodeuedd fyny ar y gallery fi, and I'll do some tweaks to it. Neu dipyn bach o tweaks iddo fo. Dyna just a generic house tea, generic ar gyfer Enfys a Crystal a plant nhw and the kids, because I couldn't find, and I'm gallu ffindio plant Crystal. They're just not in the world. Am I reswm? So ni'n tyfu ddau gyd adra. I got also my graveyard, my mynwent fi yn y gallery hefyd o dan Unit Creative. Mae holl all the things is under the Unit Creative ar y Sims gallery. A gobeithio, os nes mynd dau allan, we're gonna have 2 toddlers. 2 toddler, and I think on gynt, but we did do it before. So, dim ond efo 2 oedolyn, and we only had 2 adults at the time. So, ella, then we should be still good. Because I need to switch the houses up as well. I need mwy o lle ni, you know. Because I've done a house inspired by my family home, my parents' home. It just works out very well for this challenge. So I'll need to alter it. Dwi angen newid dipyn bach, but I think it generally will work really well for this challenge hefyd. Challenge yma hefyd. Because we have more space and mwy o lle. So I'll do one version ar gyfer challenge yma ar gyfer legacy yma, a wedyn version arall ar gyfer un arall. Okay, dwi'n gwybod ti ddim yn hapus, but I am gonna get you split and move from household. Na, dim just eto. Dwi'n angen chdi pigo fyny dy lluniau. So this is what I meant by pictures, lluniau. Sgenni fel hwn. We have those ones. These are like doubles we have for the staying in this house. Then hein dan ni'n dod o these ones. Hein I gyd. These ones are all coming with us as well. So hein I gyd hefyd dod hefo ni. Lot o lluniau. It's a lot of pictures. But I'm just going to put these in Mrs. Gallery quickly. Should have actually done this before. Also, I would need hwn yn gynt. She meddwl, honestly did not think. The ones from the birthday party are in our party penblwydd. What I'll do is there's probably going to be like another birthday thing that I'll get Enfys to come round. I cael Enfys I dod round a cael lluniau ar gyfer nhw. I just kind of like the idea of dan ni efo lluniau gyfer, well, we have the pictures for our house, but fysa into that the chwaer, you know, like your chwaer, family, siblings, you know, brothers and stuff would have their own little pictures. Because my nine had one of, like, you know, of us all, so I thought it'd be nice. I think it also adds, like, mae'n nid fatha, the Sims buildings gallu fod yn gwag, can feel empty as well. Mae'n busy chdi dod fyny fama. Toddlers geith the rest of the Sims do it for 2 seconds. I just want to do this. Na, not hawsach. So ddylsa chdi fod hefo lot o lluniau wan? Ie. A wan, da ni'n mynd i symud chdi allan. Now we move you from the house. Travel. Oh, ti am do the guitar. Is your guitar still? Put your guitar here. A nes di cael un o hein. This was your one? Was that your one? No, I'm gwybod. It's fine. We can... Don't have to cael an arall. We can get another one. Yeah, symud allan o ti. Move from the household. I have not done this before. This is the first sim to do it. Sorry, Envis. So, I believe I know how to do this. Dwi'n gwybod dwi'n credu sydd yn neud o. A Telyn is going to go with you. Dwi'n credu da ni yna'n... We need about 10,000. Dig. We'll do 12. Nhw fo pres i byw ar wedyn. Is this not working? Ydy space yma, di'r hwn ddim yn gweithio. Okay, yes, ma'n just... Ie, wneud hynna yn nhw'n mynd. Okay, yeah, dyna sydd hynna. Okay, sorry. Trying hynna. That. Nid hynna. A beth sy'n digwydd, sorry. This is newydd. This is new. So wedyn, dwi'n gobeithio, if they have 12,000, mae Crystal hefo 20. Crystal's going to have 20,000, so I'm going to move Crystal in their plant. So they might be able to do it. I do credit I'm doing this one. Do credit dwi'n neud o'n iawn? Well, indeed, this is legacy cenedlaeth yma yn brofol. This is experimental. Okay, so dyn ni'n neud hyn. We do this. Neud hynna. Gonna get Crystal. Da ni am cael Crystal i dod wan, cos dwi'n credu am y Crystal gallu symud mewn. Crystal can move in now because we have space. Da ni'n meddwl ti. We don't have a house. Ond, ti'n it works, mae'n gweithio allan. Mae'r ti, the house is bit bare bones. Just basic house. Nes i wneud ar gyfer nhw i ffitio 5 Sims. To fit 5 Sims, just a basic house. I think I got it down to about 27,000. 27,000 o gyfer 5. So that should work well. This is yn gweithio gyfer ni. Over time I'll update it for them. I'll update it wrth amser ar gyfer nhw. We're trying to save up for our own upgraded house hefyd. Da ni'n trio sef fyny ar gyfer ti upgraded ni hefyd. So, Crystal. We have a plan here.
Ah, boy. Ha.
An over Orna. Aflin Wadi. Amudo. Sako.
They can take a little time to get here sometimes. The toddlers and stuff in the tŷ arall, dylsafon yn iawn.
Zafine.
Crystal, lle wyt ti? Ti'n dod draw? You coming over, Crystal? Dwi eisiau chdi dod draw. I need you to come over so I can get the house. Crystal? Crystal? Please dod draw. Nath hi deud bod hi'n dod draw. She said she was coming over, but she's not here. Dim yma. Da ni'n yn... Okay, yn eiliad. Of course. I don't have toddler beds. Oh, mae'n iawn. Ti arall, the other house should be okay for 2 seconds. Right. Well, there's going to be chaos in the next house, but that's fine. We will deal with that. Now we delio efo... Gonna have a slight boop of a thing for 2 seconds, because I just need... Dwi just angen crystal yn dod draw, because cysgu. So we're gonna have to do it this way. Ni gael neud y ffordd ma. Little slight diversion I ben isio. Because plan fi oedd I cael crystal draw and we could just buy the house. Plan ti. Na'n quite di gweithio. A wedyn, invite to current hangout, please. Wedyn. Didn't gallu cysgu. Y tŷ arall, the other house is going to be chaotic, but they'll be fine. We'll deal with that. I delio fyny efo beth bynnag dwi'n dal fyny efo afterwards, because I need to do this plan first. Dwi'n neud plan yma gynta. Gobeithio. I hope anyway. Phew, we still good? Here? Okay. Cael pizza for now. Get a pizza for now. Near Beth. We'll just do that quickly. Just set in because we want to get. Those are crystal dod draw. Sorry, my plan's not quite working. My plan fi ddim yn gweithio gweithio. Da ni'n plan yna. We're nearly there. Dwi'n mor sorry am that. I'm so sorry if like the audio cutio allan. Sweet. Nope. More choices. Sut ti'n adio I dy tŷ? How do you add to a household? Sorry, mae'n tro gyntaf fi trio neud hwn. Am I not going to be able to add them to a household? Because man, that's annoying. Because I would just have moved them back in. Sometimes weithio. Sorry, I'm trying to find it. Trio ffindio fo. I don't know. Weithio mae'n dod fyny. Sometimes it does just come up. To use. Nid hyn. Mae'n dod fyny. It came up before. I have no idea lle mae nhw. Where is it? Flirtation. No. No. Sorry. Where is it? Lle mae o? Genuinely, where is it? Na ni. Lle dwytha ni. Last place it was. Okay. Sorry, weithiau, sometimes when you're trying to find stuff, you know?
Marik Poshima?
Please, please, please. Sweet. Wan, we can get the house
Oh,
done.
twll.
Wan, then ni'n gallu cael tŷ. This is why I wanted, dyma be o'n i eisiau neud y holl amser. This is what I wanted to do the whole time. Tell you might want to move off the bed, symud off y gwely. So, we are going to go to the gallery. Mynd i gallery sydyn. It should be on there, please, deud nes i ddol. Yeah, so I've got Owl House, Gneith the Owl House. I've got the house for the few legacies hefyd. I've got y legacies yn fama. I wonder if I did put it in here, if it's in llygell fi or yn profile fi. So I've got some starter homes, gyda lot of the starter homes, gyda Tafwyl, Castell Caerdydd fama hefyd. Music, I've done it as a music festival lot thingy. Plas, a shop of Plas, a thermal Plas Gynweddu. I've got a horror writer one. Diolch yn fawr sydd wedi lawr hyn. Thank you to everybody who's downloaded these as well. It's really fun to do. Owl House, maen nhw gyd yn base game hefyd. These are all base games, so you don't have to buy expensive packs I gael nhw gyd. A little like tiny home, tŷ bach. We got Techniquest as well. Gen ni Leisure Centre, Pwllheli Leisure Centre. Gynnodd yn hamdden Pwllheli, and yeah. We got Capel Awen, inspired by Llandanog, back near Harlech, Wrthyml Harlech. Plas Awen, inspired by Plas Gynweddu and art places and stuff. And then just Victorian terraced houses. Nope. Dyma. This one. So I'm going to try and do individual videos on all my builds. I have builds we get. I'm going to try and do individual videos. Videos unigolion. So yeah, so I just done. Didn't give it a roof. Of course I didn't. But yeah, man, kind of fatha. Dim llawer. It's not much, but I wanted like a starter home. Just that tea starter. So we need to get rid of that. We need to copy. So I'm going to go gyfer pawb one. Like very basic. Need to toe bach sydyn. I don't know if I might do like a building stream here. Do we got to at Twitch? I'm got back into building Minecraft. Nôl fewn I adeiladu Minecraft. It might be just glitched. But I'm just glitched. We'll see. But I don't know if it's worth doing like a Sims building adeiladu Sims of yma. I want to do like a little tour type thing. Tour bach ella of a build ella potentially. Because on Twitch my VODs aren't saved ddim wedi cael safio. So, dan ni'n mynd I hwn one. Go to this. Cawalia fyny. Nes i'n cael llun. Okay, we need to go back and get some of No, Telyn didn't do any Didn't cofio credu nath Telyn neud unrhyw lluniau. Don't believe Telyn did any pictures. Natha, I don't know. Potentially, ella. But yeah, so that more that tat. Ddim tat, ond ti'n fatha yn llenwi lle. So do this. Then I've also got my original Sim gwreiddiol fi hefo handiness critical. So I got that one to make some stuff. So dan ni hefo knife block hefyd yn fama. Wedi cael ei wneud gen the OG one. So dwi trio neud fatha pethau fel hyn yn Legacy. My first time trying it. I just seen, you know, pobl neud o'n gynt. People doing it before. Cool. Savio 1, and we're going to go back to the chaos of the main house. Like my little Sims unit, little stunned them for various years. Wedyn i dod gyfer blynedd gwahanol. What do you call it? Mae gen chi a Kelsey Peaches May's got really good stuff for like a 100 baby challenge. So yeah, I think we got what my bench need a panad. This is what I wanted to do last time. When can we do save? Why is it taking so long to save? Cool. One, I'm gonna go to open world, manage world. Just go to manage world because I thought Savio just one. So my Envis wedi symud allan. Envis has moved out in with Crystal nôl them, so mae'n un dan o'r Legacy in Cwningen or branch finished. We're going to go back to the main house now. I will do some adjustments, neud newidiadau, bach sydyn ar gyfer o, you know. So yeah, dyn nhw'n symud yn rhy, dyn nhw'n byw yn rhy bell, they don't live too far, but we have a little household there then, fanna. A wan, da ni hefo ella gobeithio dipyn bach hawsach, we're going to go back to the chaos. Yn di safio fama. Yeah, diolch i pawb yn gwylio. Thank you everybody for watching. Diolch da Killer yn fod yn chat. A diolch, thank you for watching if you're watching on the VOD, neu watching live. Like I did, I can't upload to YouTube because of technological stuff at the moment. I am playing on PS4 base game, so dwi ddim mor diddorol. It's not as interesting because, you know, growing together packs and stuff like that. But I'm going to try and see to do this in base game. Trio nid on base game a nid Fibonacci Legacy sy'n dechrau mynd yn chaotic stan, get chaotic on its own. I still don't like the toddler and infant Dan bits and stuff, but the fact we're on part 20 is like anhygoel. Diolch pawb am fod yma. Thank you for being here a gwylio. I wasn't sure about doing this as a series, neu tw'n fel project. Ond dwi'n gweithio, I think it's working. I don't know, I'm glad. In the world, we're rolling with it at hyn o bryd. Yeah, oh no, pawb yn okay actually. This is very weird, nothing's on fire. Dim byd ar dan. Okay. That's genuinely really weird. So we have managed to age up everybody. Oh, mae Kurt yn cael penblwydd fory, so Kurt is going to be an elder tomorrow. No need beth bach yn y tŷ ag hwnna. We'll do something in the house for that. But toddlers yn mynd y plant yn barod in like 3 days. Okay, well, okay, I'm going to do some skill building off stream then. On the other stream, I'm going to do some skill building and stuff. And the next part is probably going to be them aging up and oedio fyny. Nearish that part wedyn. Pa bryd mae Mai yn oedio fyny? Why not age up to elder eto? So Kurt is going to be elder. Mae Kurt yn bod yn elder. Okay. Mae'n di speisio allan cweit dda. Okay, cool. So yeah. Diolch yn fawr am ddod. Thank you everybody for coming. Hope you can cadw'n saff. Hope you keep safe. The rest of the things is on the playlist. Mae'r rest of pethau ar y playlist. My EA gallery is Lynette Creative, and we have the Rema Tavern up fyny heno, gobeithio. Os dwi'n cofio if I remember to do it. But yeah, diolch pawb am fod. Thank you for coming. Cadw'n saff. Keep safe. Llymna gyda chi. I'll put links to Little Simsy and Kelsey Peaches to me. I fully recommend watching them. Gwylio nhw. Os a'ch licio Legacy and Sims a pethau fel na. And Sims updates hefyd. That's where, you know, I found out about a lot of the updates. So yeah, diolch pawb am ddod. Thank you for coming. A cadw'n saff.